nephew?
I'm
Goober. Goober. We're gonna try the Cheetos Chicken Fries.
We've never tried them before.
Never. There's my nephew. He's not feeling so good. I don't know if he's gonna try them.
I'll hold it.
Oh, you wanna hold it? Okay.
He likes sweet candy.
Smell them? What do they smell like? They smell good, like chicken fries. Chicken fries are good. I guess I should have left the screen on for you if you were gonna hold it. Okay.
You first.
Hold on, we got some things. Okay. Let's try this one.
I'm gonna try a short one.
Okay. Ooh, I like those.
My turn.
That's a tiny bite.
Well, it's good because if you don't know if you like it or not, you might be like, oh, so good or what? They got the chicken fry, of course, but then they've got the cheese flavor, and it's not like overly. It's not overly Cheetos, but it's awesome.
You know what's weird about Burger King?
What's weird about
What's weird
Burger?
about Burger King? They keep making different things.
That's not weird. That's good. And then you get new stuff, and you like these.
New stuff, more videos, more viewers, more fans, more subs.
This is my
When you
first
become
time.
famous.
This is my first time being in your video.
Yeah, first time in my YouTube videos. Not my last. She'll probably be in a lot of my riding ones and stuff if we do
It's my
that.
first time being in an actual video on YouTube.
I will probably have my own YouTube channel by the time he is like 1 million subscribers.
Chicken fries.
Not
Cheetos
that.
coating, very good idea. I love it.
It's not like y'all don't need to subscribe, but yes, please subscribe.
Your hands are all greasy.
Chicken fries are greasy.
Everything here is greasy.
Well, yeah, that's kind of why I like it, I guess. I guess we're
Don't
going
lick
to
your
get to
fingers,
eating.
it's gross.
Why? Licking your fingers is tasty. So,
No,
yeah,
it's not.
we're going to take and put it in chicken fries.
This is what they look like if y'all ever try them. They look gross, but they're good.
I think they look awesome. And I didn't even dip it because I didn't want to taint the taste.
Maybe we can show y'all.
I would say that's a buy. That's a buy again. Price was, I think 2 something. I can't remember. I don't like when YouTube videos do that, but I forgot. So, I would say they're a little bit high. No more than chicken fries. Oh yeah, she just got paid for chores. Awesome. But we are gonna eat. Worth trying.
Show my parents.